Hello guys, good morning and welcome to the Calyx Lavender Farm. My gosh, I'm so happy today. The sun is so nice, the weather is so nice. Perfect for pasyal-pasyal sa fields ng lavender. So it's the lavender season and right now I am with Hannah and Tin na namasyal kami dito sa like an hour away sa Davenport, na part ng Iowa. And nandito yung fields ng lavender. So this is how the lavenders look like. Eee! Meron kaming free session tuloy. Meron kaming yung ticket namin is kasama na yung pag-pick ng flowers. So we're gonna harvest some flowers for today. And we can explore the lavender farm like anytime we want, kahit ilang oras namin gusto, and you know, take some photos, videos, and just so nang nakakatuwa lang na nalaman ko kanina is like yung lavender pala is when you pet it, sabi ng namin kanina ng taga-explain, kapag pinet mo daw yung dito sa wood part niya, andito yung mas malaki yung scent ng lavender, which is really true. It really smells good. Siguro pwede ko siyang gawing parang tawag dito? Perfume. So what they do is, pag nag-harvest daw sila ng lavender, meron siyang pinakita sa amin na 2 distillery doon kanina sa main office. Ginagawa nilang essential oil, lavender essential oil, which is really good. Pero yung sa distillery kanina, matapang pa yung amoy kasi parang first part daw siya ng process. And then, yung other part daw nun is parang ginagawa nilang parang toner ng face or yung parang sa mga bug bites and something like that. And then another type of distillery, or not distillery, the budding naman ang tawag sa kanya is ang ginagawa naman daw nun is yung mga buds ng lavender, parang kapag na-dry up na, para daw siyang ginagawa nilang natural na pesticide para pang-protect ng garden. So it's really nice, really cool. Yung meron siyang field na pinakita sa amin doon na baby pa lang yung mga lavenders, it takes daw a year for it to be harvested. And color white daw yung yung color ng flower na type ng lavender. So it's really exciting. And then lahat ng fields na nandito is like more on English type of lavenders. Pero dun sa part na yon, meron daw dun French na type ng lavender. But sabi niya kanina is baka daw hindi na nila gagamitin yung type of lavender na yon because hindi daw siya parang perfect sa weather ng Iowa. Mabilis daw siyang mamatay. So baka daw i-uproot nila yon and papalitan nila ng other type of lavender na mas mabubuhay dito sa soil or sa weather ng Iowa. So I'm so happy, so nice na ma-experience itong type of lavender picking. I love lavenders, I love purple, I love BTS. So I'm so happy. So come on and enjoy, let's have fun. Let's go. So guys, hello. So we are right now harvesting the lavender flowers. It smells so good. So ang turo kanina, kailangan daw i-pet ang medyo woody part and then before you cut it. Actually, ang sabi nung kanina is pwedeng gawin na para mas mahaba yung stem. Ang turo kanina is piliin daw yung medyo nandito sa dulo para mas mahaba ang stem. Ang turo niya actually is parang kunin yung ganito tapos saka ikakat ng ganun. Pero syempre, gusto kong sulitin na dapat bawat stem ay hindi masasayang. So, iisa-isahin ko siya. Tapos, meron silang binigay na scissors na merong rubber band na maliit. So, lahat ng kagat kasya dito sa maliit na rubber band pwedeng mag-harvest. So, look at my harvested lavender bouquet. Oh my God, it's so sulit, guys. I had fun, so much fun, pero maginit na kasi. So, yung iba, hindi ko na inisa-isa kasi it will take me a while kapag inisa-isa ko pa. But look, it's so nice. Freshly harvested lavender flowers. So, it smells so good. Saya. Sarap. Ang sarap, ang bango. I had fun today. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Have a nice day. Bye.